This is a coconut or a palm worm, which is the best worm that you can eat. But if you take from the salt worm, that is sometimes it is poisoning. So please don't take any kind of worm. Mostly only the worm from coconut or from the palm that you can eat. Okay, so a lot of people they eat it raw, as you can see in this picture. So you just have a chili sauce with some seasoning and you can eat raw. This one they believe to give them like energy, like power. So a lot of people go with it. But today I'm not going to talk about that because it's a little too disgusting. So we are talking about fried cocoa worm dish. Okay, so what do you need? For ingredients, you just need lemongrass, lemon leaves, garlic, and chilies. So this is the basic that you need. You just cut it thin and leave it. So first, after getting all this worm from the tree, from the coconut or palm tree, you just put it in the bowl of water to boil it until it die, and then you take it out. Don't let it cook yet, just take it out and keep it. And up next, you fry the seasoning that I talked about, so lemongrass, lemon leaf, garlic and chili. So fry until it get good smell, and then you pour the wetted worms into this pan, frying pan. You keep stirring it until it get cooked, and now you can put the flavor enrichments like salt, sugar. For most of Asian people, they put MSG, which is not good for most European. And yes, can be other like pepper or whatever that you want to put to make your food to make it smell better. So you wait until keep stirring it until everything is get well cooked, and now it is good time for you to eat. Okay, thanks you very much everyone. Hope you enjoy the video and you got another guide to get you survive when you are in the jungle or in anywhere away from your comfort zone. All the best. Thanks for subscribing, like and comment. Thanks.